Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Docker Engine latest version on AWS EC2 Instance. See, I have created AWS instance and its OS distribution is Ubuntu, but the process is same for all AWS EC2 instances. Okay, see, this is the instance identifier. You can connect, use this one. Then I have connected with the same one. See here, I have connected to Ubuntu 24.04 and see here, this is the AWS EC2 instance. Now go to docs.docker.com. Also verify whether we have the Docker installed as pre-built application or not. Docker -version. See, we don't have Docker. Control it. Now click on manuals. Then click on Docker Engine. Then click on install. Then select the Ubuntu. See here, the supported OS versions are 24.04. Okay, I am also on the same one. mod/etc os-release. See, I am on 24.04. See, we can install Ubuntu on any one of these versions. Okay, scroll down. First we have to uninstall if there are any older versions of Docker. So copy this button, go to the terminal, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now installation methods. I am going to install by using this Docker's apt repository. So run these commands one by one. Copy it, control it, paste it, copy it, paste it, hit enter. All packages are up to date. Now copy this. Now install this CA certificates and call. Paste it. Both are already newer versions. Then install this keyrings. Paste it. It is done. Now import this GPG. Copy it. Paste it. It is done. Now change the permissions. Copy it. Paste it. Now copy. Now add the repository to apt sources. Copy up to this, up to here. Copy it. Go to the terminal, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages again. Sudo apt get update. Hit enter. All packages are up to date. Now install the Docker packages. Latest one or specific version. In this video we are going to install latest ones. So click on this copy button. Go to here, control it, paste it, hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the Docker. Sudo systemctl status Docker. See, Docker application container engine and it is active and running and it is enabled. Q2kit, control it. Now also verify by trying to run this hello world image. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. See, we have successfully executed this hello world image. Also verify the Docker version, Docker -version. See, we have installed Docker 28.1.1. Okay, if you want to get more information, sudo Docker version. See, we have minimal output, permission in it, but run the command sudo Docker version. Here we will get the more information. Okay, but to avoid every time using this sudo, we have to add the command sudo user mod -caps Docker, then provide the current user, that is $user. But after running this command also we will get the same error. But once we log off and log in back, we will get the full information. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Docker Engine latest version on AWS EC2 instance. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.